Aishwarya, hi. This is Atya from Times Now, out here.
Hi.
On your right, actually.
Sorry, I can't see you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Ash, we're talking about women empowerment, at this forum. So I wanted to ask you the effects of showbiz that happens on a personal relationship or on marriage, and how do you as a woman tackle that? Because it's been in the news of late, so I wanted
What's been in the news of late?
The effect
Have I
of...
missed something?
Yes, a lot of couples are splitting, so I was talking about how the effect of showbiz sometimes affects marriage also. So I needed your personal opinion on that.
I don't think it's fair for you to already get judgmental and to limit relationships and their strengths or their inability to hold themselves together, whether that needs to be to limit itself only to showbiz. What happens in society is really each to his own, and what would be fair and respectful, and I said something earlier about us as being Indian, be respectful, believe in allowing people to live their lives and to be able to find strength in the choices that they make.
Well said. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. This is Sonia here from IBN7.
Hi.
Hi. Aishwarya, eyes symbolizes dreams. And you being a successful actress, being a mother, being a daughter-in-law, what is your dream right now that you want to pursue after being so successful?
I'm alive. I will always dream. And I will not just dream, but I'll go on to fulfill whatever thoughts, whatever aspirations, whatever ideas I may come up with in life. And that's what life has been for me so far. Fortunately, I continue remaining inspired. I'm very, very thankful to people who give me an opportunity to remain inspired and to look forward to the path ahead. And if I've been blessed to have had the opportunity to create milestones on my journey thus far, I'm certainly looking forward to continue doing so on my journey ahead. Thanks.
Any movie that you have signed right now, or any dreams that you want to pursue for your daughter Aradhya?
Sorry, ma'am, we couldn't hear the question. Can you be a little louder, please, and clearer?
I want to ask, any movies that you have signed right now?
If there were, I would have announced them, but I'm here today to announce the launch of Kajal Magic.
Okay.
All right, I request you all to please stick to the occasion and the brand, all right? That's highlighted. All right, ma'am there. The lady in black, yes?
Aishwarya, Renuka again.
Hi, Renuka.
Hi. Aishwarya, L'Oreal has had such wonderful ambassadors, be it you, Frida, Sonam, internationally, Eva Longoria, all of those, the biggest of names. Every time there's a new ambassador that's launched or it's been announced, the whole thing sort of boils down to you. And I don't know, this whole reports of Aishwarya isn't too happy with so-and-so getting on board. So the question is for all three of you. The recent being Katrina, who's, I heard, is a part of L'Oreal team now. So does it really affect you in any way? Because there have been so many beautiful women who've been a part of L'Oreal.
The answer's in your question. From me, at least.
Yes, Manshi. Or Mr. Ghosh, who's going to take this one?
So your half of question was what Aishwarya feels. The other half of the question was if a new lady or ambassador has been signed on or not. The answer to that part is that we have never shied away from media. L'Oréal Paris has always announced when they have had a new ambassador. As and when we have a new ambassador, we'll come back to you, the media, and we'll announce through you. So right now, it's all about Kajal Magic, and it's all about Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, the woman with the most beautiful eyes in the world.
And I completely agree to that, sir. All right. Okay, next question. Okay, the lady in red. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Aishwarya.
Hi.
You know, it's always a lot of pressure on, celebrities, especially women, actresses to look beautiful all the time. Sometimes you have bad days, but then I don't think it's very forgiving on everybody's part, on you guys. A lot of women, obviously, as they age, go for artificial surgery and stuff like that, but a lot of people prefer to keep it natural. What is your take on it? Because,
so far, all natural. Thank you, Mom and Dad, and thank you, God.
But what is your take on it? You know, aging
Each to his
gracefully?
own. It's each to his own. It's not fair for us to be judgmental. It's each to
All right,
his
next
Sure.
question,
How-
please.
another one. I'm sorry. You know, it's women like being complimented, though you actually address yourself for your own. But how often do you get complimented nowadays? And from your husband, you know, in the beginning, in the marriage, it's always there, but they say it gets. So you tell us.
Well, are you married? Is that why?
I'll give you all the compliments you want.
Well, honestly, I haven't counted in the past. I do not count today.
All right. Now, this is going to be our final question, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Yeah.
Hi, good evening. Hi.
Well, you have been the ambassador for the lovely product where millions have reached you and always will. One little thing, when you are with your friends, at some time or the other, which it could be many a times, have you ever recommended the product you are the ambassador of?
Yes. Very honestly, yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. That was the last question. A huge round of applause for all our dignitaries on stage.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
Miss
so much for
Aishwarya
being
Rai
with us
Bachchan.
today.
All we like to say is we are very proud of you, and may you touch the pinnacle of excellence as always and spread the magique. All right?
कौन है भाई ए मधु ये क्या पूरा मैम इस साइड भी टर्न हो जाइए मैम आपके लेफ्ट में मैम आपके लेफ्ट में मैम जरा लेफ्ट में आ जाओ ये मैम लेफ्ट मैडम लेफ्ट में हो गई ना प्लीज मैम थोड़ा लेफ्ट टर्न हो गए प्लीज मैम लेफ्ट ए मधु